Hello everyone, let's match object to its sound. Today we're going to find all the things that begin with a C, K sound, and all the things that begins with a D, D sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter C. Letter C makes the K sound. K. Now let's find all the things that begins with a K sound. K, K, cake. K, K, coat. K, K, cup. K, K, cap. K, K, castle. K, K, cone. K, K, cat. K, K, cot. K, K, cow. K, K, clock. K, K, car. Well done everyone. Now we found all the things that begins with a K sound. Fantastic job. Well done. Well done everyone. Letter D. Letter D makes the D sound. Now let's find all the things that begins with a D sound. D, dog. D, doctor. D, donut. D, donkey. D, door. D, diamond. D, doll. D, dinosaur. D, drum. D, duck. D, digger. Well done everyone. We found all the things that begins with a D sound. Fantastic work. Well done. Hi parents, please check out my Etsy store for instant download of teaching resources, where you can download the resources and help your child to develop their early reading skills. I will add a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.